Alright, to set your trap, you gotta get everything in, stake it. It's all staked down and everything. I got the hole dug, the bed made, and everything. So I'm just at the setting the trap part. What you want to do is you want to set your trap like a man. Like a man. Yeah, that's how we do stuff around here. Then you want to, whew, that's hard. Get it up. Then you got your trap bed. I'm telling you, I'm paranoid. Stuff. Alright. Get it set in. So it's about yay far. And set it down again. Get that seated in. Once you've done all that, you want to take a stick. Ooh. Okay. Fix everything. Ouch. There's a lot of prickers on that stick. So we're not going to use that one. Use this little wimpy stick. Get all your stupid stuff out. Oh, gotta get me out. Alright. Kind of just, kind of just blend it in. Oops. Thing of a dirt hole just to make it look like something was digging here. Just for a yoke. Ooh, don't snap on my finger, please. Oh, please don't snap down on my finger. Please don't snap it down on my finger. And get all your leaves out. And just so you know, this hurts like a mother whenever this flies, whenever your trap goes off and all the dirt goes flying up into your eyes. Oh, it hurts a lot. So you can hardly even tell that there's a trap there. You kind of just clean it up, make it look all pretty. And you may be saying, oh my god, he doesn't have gloves on. Like, I have gloves. I just don't care. I'm a 13-year-old idiot that's trying to trap, okay? You really think I care? Right? And I can't even tell there's a trap there. It just looks like something was digging. What you could even do. Alright. Then you just want to take your bait, stuff it down the hole, and that, my friends, is how you set a trap. Peace out.